Right, what we've got is the Infiray TD50L. I've got it mounted on a rifle. What I'm going to do is got some fox cutouts, 100, 200 and 300 yard. We're going to see how we do with base magnification to get an idea of field of view and zoom increments. See how we get on with that. Stay tuned. We've got a fox target, 100 yard. They're about 1.5 inches, 2 inches smaller than a normal fox. So this is on base mag 4 at 100 yard. We've got 6.4, 8.4, 10.2, sorry, 11.2, 13 and 16. Back it off. We've got one at 200 yard. I'm not focusing on these. That's 200 yard on base mag. That's 6, 8, that's 10.6, that's 14.2 and 16. Just pixelate out probably after about 12. Come back on that on base mag. Right, so let's go to 300 yard. This says 300 yard fox on base mag. Probably some out there would give that a go. Mr. Ripley, one of them. So that's 5.6, 9.2, 11.8, 13.6. Go to full mag 16. It's more than shootable 300 yard on full base mag. So back to 4. That's 300, 200, 100. Okay, I don't normally do unboxing, but we've got the Infiray Tube TD50L. So I'll do a quick unboxing and see what we've got. We've got the eye cup, which actually screws on. It's got threads on there. Data cable, USB-C, and it's also doubles up as a charge cable. Some mounts, which are actually good quality, nice, like medium to high mounts. USB, your power adapter for your charger. You'll need an adapter for UK for that. And the scope itself, just a cloth. The manual you'll have to download from Infiray.com. A nice pouch with it if you use them. That's on the side. And then you've got your scope, your tube TD50L, which is probably about weight to a normal day scope. And that's your unboxing.